The 2027 Dacia Sandero builds on the car's reputation as an affordable, practical hatchback while introducing a more contemporary design and modern updates that keep it relevant in the competitive small car segment. The all-new generation retains its classic hatchback shape but adopts a refreshed exterior with influences from Dacia's SUV-inspired styling, including a more rugged stance with slightly wider wheel arches and a higher beltline that lends it a more confident look. Designers are also refreshing key details such as the front grille, lighting signatures, and wheel options to enhance both visual appeal and aerodynamic efficiency, helping the Sandero stand out without straying from its value-focused identity. Inside, the 2027 Sandero is expected to bring meaningful upgrades to comfort and technology that elevate the user experience beyond basics. The next-gen model could feature a more spacious cabin with improved materials and ergonomic seats, along with a larger central touchscreen paired with an advanced digital driver display for better connectivity and ease of use. Additional modern features such as wireless smartphone integration, enhanced driver assist systems, and clever storage solutions will make daily driving more enjoyable and practical. Performance is also anticipated to benefit from refreshed powertrain options, including more efficient petrol engines and possibly hybrid or electric variants, allowing the Sandero to balance fuel economy with peppy performance suited to city and suburban driving.